So welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Gothic 1 remake game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, crashing, black screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check for the Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if an update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next, you should check for Gothic 1 remake updates. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help tackle the issue. Follow the steps. Press Xbox symbol on your controller. Now move down to profile and system. Next, select settings, system, console info. Then select reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, and then select clear persistent storage as shown in the image. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove. After that, select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Gothic 1 remake game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps. Select dual option. Here select Gothic 1 remake game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Gothic 1 remake official website and download the game and then check if you can play it. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about their error. They will better guide what to do, or else they'll try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.